like this. We bought a can, open the can, pour it in a blender, and then we got it like this. This one is hot by itself. So what we're gonna do is add a little bit in the sauce, not by itself. Mix it, taste it, and if you can handle more and more little by little, and you're gonna share with the couple in the back. Add a little bit in the sauce.
Not too much for us, hon.
Well, some people can take it. We don't put it in. We'll do a separate pan. Okay? Sartenes para los pollos. Add a little bit. Mix it. Taste it. Share. If you want more, add more.
I mean, I would recommend it at some point.
I brought roll lights.
That's probably got some.
Dad, they want to know if you have time.
What's that? Yeah, I do.
Mix it, taste it.